What's good, everybody? Hey, check it out. Welcome back to another West Coast Grudge Racing Media production, right? Listen, as promised, I told you I was going to sit down, but check it out. We standing up, right? I'm right here with Big Dame. Listen, again, I'm going to tell you guys, his pedigree. He's the owner of his own vodka company called Interstate Vodka. Some of you guys might know. They're from Smokin and Grillin page, so you guys could probably have already seen that the fact that, he's been all over the channel. Listen, we made a Kool-Aid video that went ham. Hey, look, we made a grown-ups Kool-Aid. You guys can put it together. Kool-Aid, vodka, yeah, yes, sir. But listen, most importantly, he's a car enthusiast, right? So the channel is all about like bringing a real life West Coast hitters. You know what I mean? Hey, he even had a couple of friends tap here, and two of these cats is like close to myself too. So we'll get into all of that. I don't want to like over talk it as I usually do. So this is Big Dame. Listen, we finna go through his car collection and ask, who is Big Dame?
Hey, man. Look, thank you. As usual, welcome for coming down. We always chilling, hanging out, doing what we do. Right. Y'all come down and check out a couple of things that I got sitting around, stuff coming up.
Boy, oh boy.
I like to play around with cars from classics to foreigns. I try and do it all. Just having a little fun doing this West Coast car thing. And we want to share some things with you guys. You want to take a walk with me? I'll show you around the backyard just a little bit.
Let's get it.
We can start with
Let's get it. Now listen, I already told you like he's a car enthusiast, right? You gotta know, cause listen, I'm at his place, right? And listen, anybody that have lifts, you know what I'm saying, in their backyard, that tell you he maneuvering a few things, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let him talk. All I can tell you is this is where it all got started, but you know what? He can tell you better.
This right here is my 1964 Chevy Nova. At one point in time in my life, this was the only car that I had. Straight six in it, tattered interior, no air conditioning. You hit the brakes, it wanted to change lanes on you. And this was it. Drove it to family functions. Paint was jacked up, chrome was gone, you name it, it did not have it. But over time, with the help of a lot of good people, I gotta give some shots out. The Black Classics Car Club, my painter Fred, my boy Foots, Big Man Boom, everybody that brought me along with this car to help me get this car to where it is now. Now it's painted, TPG paint on it, Amadeus interior, suede and vinyl, Dakota Digital dash, vintage air, power windows, makes about 500 horsepower, JL and Alpine, everything on the inside. Because we like to play real hard on the West Coast, and you gotta have some air for it when it's hot outside, especially when you're sitting on suede. Couple of sets of wheels, few steering wheels for it. This is my baby, my grandmother's favorite car of all the cars that I own. I have a cross in it hanging from the rear view mirror. She ride with me wherever I go. Shout out to my grandmother for being the woman that she was in my life. This is my 64 Chevy Nova. Last year, had the opportunity to drive it for the Hot Rod Power Tour West. On the long haul, hit all locations. The car went from Irwindale to Las Vegas. From Las Vegas, Pomona, the drag strip, hit everywhere, ran flawlessly, and we had a great time taking this car out at the track and meeting everybody from Hot Rod Magazine. If you see, take a look at it. Harley headlight. These headlights actually belong on a Harley Davidson. Everybody was telling me I couldn't do it at first, and I did it. I was probably the first person out here to do Harley headlights on the Chevy. Daymaker, bright, bright, bright. If you want some good lights, put them Harley lights on your car. They're gonna be fly. I can't take credit for the colors that are inside this car. These are all original Chevy colors. I just grabbed it and put my own little touch. These seats are scat seats, bucket seats. This car was originally a bench seat car, and we went to buckets, got a custom center console made, changed it from a column shift car to a floor shift car. We put the B&M Quicksilver shifter in here, and it works like a charm. I don't race this car, but I will take fades. If somebody want to go, we'll go. That don't mean y'all try and catch me slipping in the street when you see me, but I ain't gonna run away from it either. Like I said, Dakota Digital, suede hairliner, you name it.
But check this out, folks. Listen, you guys in for a treat. I'm smiling, man, because I know, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I know just a little bit. Hey, you laughing. Hey, he only spoon feeds me a little bit on this because this is new baby right here. I'm gonna let him tell you, it's kind of like top secret, but I'm gonna let him do him.
Just keep your eye out, something special. Compliments of my club, the Cadillac Commission. Convertible Cadillacs everywhere. We coming for everybody. We got a little something with some secret sauce up here. It might sound a little weird. It might spit a little fire, but watch out for this Cadillac that's coming. If you like to have fun, watch out real soon. Coming soon, coming real soon. my mobile bar for Interstate Vodka. You see it right now in the early stages. Remember this, because once it's done, you're gonna see it all around town. It's gonna be a party in a box. Party in a box truck, that is. If you're having a good time, you can't have a good time without me, and you can't have a good time without this. Interstate Vodka all day, every day.
Now look, I want to tell you this. I said earlier that he was like a car enthusiast, right? But it's more to it than that. It's really like anything with a motor that you can have some fun with. Because I'm surprised we don't have mini bikes back here. This is how we get down, right? So listen, if we park right now, you can see, listen, he stayed with the bike. I got something I can bring into the mix of this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna bring it down here, you know, and play with y'all a little bit. But this right now, look at that, y'all. Look at the color. Hey, you know what? I'm in awe, bro. I can't really talk. You do you, man.
Hey, man, you know, it's just a little something to scoot around town on. Just a little scooter. Nothing major. I'm not trying to go fast or break nobody's wrists, necks, or ankles or nothing like that. But this get me from point A to point B. I have a good time. When I'm with AB let me ride around with him a little bit. My boy Kev, my big bro over there, he let me ride around with him a little bit too. You know, I didn't do this on my own. There's a whole bunch of people doing it, but I'm doing it too.
Hey, so look, okay, we saw the bike, I got it. Hey, you gotta know this cat right here. He don't be giving up the GMs like this to everybody. You know what I mean? Hey, thanks, man. Hey, now look, let's move back this way, cause look, I've been looking at that cord right there.
This one right here?
Yeah, right. So look, it's really, bro, I almost wanted to say, is this a Tesla? You know what I'm saying? It's got a crack in here. Is it cool?
Yeah, you go ahead. A few batteries back there.
Huh. Hey, for those of you guys that know, and don't forget, it is called West Coast, right? That's the first part of WestCoast Grudge Racing Media, ain't it? So listen, West Coast, batteries, lack, you see how low it is in the back? Check it out. Hey, so look, close it up, no more wires. Hey, got a treat for you. This West Coast style right here. All right, so look, you guys got a little treat just to see what's happening there. I'll show you, because me and him will be tipping around town, you know, probably like in the next 3 or 4 videos, you know what I mean? Yeah, showing everybody what it's like to be out this way. He brings it out to the street races, stuff like that. So if we come and take a look at this, I'm gonna let him do all of this, because this is about his club right here.
Standing out here with my boy Kev, my big bro, my club brother from Cadillac Commission. We standing in front of his beautiful 1964 Cadillac convertible. LS powered, sitting on Vogue's piece of work. Now, he don't like to say a whole lot, but you see, let me show you. I'm gonna step back a little bit so y'all can get a good look at what this man has accomplished with this Cadillac. Blacked up, vintage air in it, interior done, sound system is incredible, and one little secret trinket about this car that a lot of people may not know is this car also participated in the Hot Rod Power Tour West 2023. Irwindale, Vegas, Pomona, 3 days in a row. Me, this cat right here, and AB. You can't see him, he's off camera right now, but AB, we at the Cosmo, we hung out, we had a great time. We pulled the cars up in Vegas and we lived. But let's take a quick walk around the car, and if Kev got anything he want to tell you about the car, Kev, tell him something, let him know something.
Well, you know, like you said, it's a 64 Cadillac DeVille. It started off white, believe it or not. And I just had a vision, you know, go ahead and paint it black with the blue interior. And then we had a little problem with the motor. So that's when we decided to go ahead and put an LS in it. Thanks to Lonnie over at Care Automotive. You know, he hooked that up, made sure that I get back and forth. Haven't had any problems yet. So shout out to Care Automotive. I want to shout out Amadeus Upholstery Shop. They helped me out with the upholstery and the vertical top. You know, everything is done on the car. I love it. It ride good. Take me where I need to go. We have a good time cruising. You know, all my fellas, my buddies, my partners, Cadillac Commission. We just have a great time out here, man. When it comes to Cadillacs, we #1.
All right, folks, so listen, I'm gonna say it like this. This turned out, it was supposed to be me just sitting down, you know, with my boy, Big D, right? So listen, it turned into more like a day in the life with you. Listen, there's some heavy hitters behind the camera. I'm gonna just show it. Hey, look, you already met Kev. There he is over there. Look, we got Artist Houston. He to the left.
Yay.
KJ Jones in the building. You already know. What's up, y'all?
Hey, look, don't let him play it down, man. Don't let him play it down. That's KJ. Listen, he got a real big, major pedigree. You know what? We're going to say that for another video, but I just want to let you know, hanging out with Big D, talking to him, you know, this is like the real. Now, listen, I don't mean no disrespect to other cats that's not here. For you guys that are watching this, there's probably about 30 of us, right? Real rock solid. They like welcome me into the clan, you know, just to hang out because I'm rock solid myself, right? But some of these cats have grown up together, you know what I mean? You looking at a 20, I hate to say this, 30-year relationships. You know what I'm saying? I hate to date ourselves. But listen, this is what the West Coast is about, right? It ain't always racing, but listen, he tied into it more than you guys think. That's, you know, it'll be available in like another episode. But with that being said, you know how we get out of all of my videos. Check it out. We out. Peace.